Over the years, Berwyn has been transformed into a creative and culturally diverse city. And some of the driving forces behind that transformation are our local craftsmen. Meet Berwyn's makers. People with the creative tools and hands-on knowledge who swim against the current and do what they love every day. People who have turned their passion into a thriving Berwyn business while bringing our community together. People who choose to bring their passion and unique character to a handcrafted community that welcomes change and innovation. Our local craftsmen have shared their passions with Berwyn. Let's experience the passion that is woven into the fabric of our community. Let's shop local for Small Business Saturday, the holiday season, and beyond.